Hey there, today I want to talk about why it's important to use weather fittings when you put in cameras. All the UniView cameras provide a weatherproof connection. And so what it is, when you've run your cable, you have this adapter, weatherproof fitting, whatever, everything fits in like this. And then you have, for the camera side, you have a little round circle rubber that goes around the fitting, and then you have a small one that comes and goes into the power like that. So when you plug in, after you run your cable, and then you put in your fitting, do it, and then you crank this down tight, so that way you have a weatherproof, surface fitting. And the reason that's important is this camera in particular was from a dealer of ours that didn't think it was important to use the weatherproof fitting, and as you can see, you get some corrosion in here and your camera's going to fail. So that's why the weather fittings are crucial when you go to install.